How do? Happy Sunday. So today we're off to the Manchester Makers Market. I want to get a bit of inspiration because I want to make my own Christmas wreath today. So why don't you join me a little bit later and we'll see how that turns out, shall we? Okay, so we're just on our way through the northern quarter. A bit busy on a Sunday. We're here. Get out my way. Right, this is such a busy event. They had this like a couple of years ago, pre-COVID, but the same great stalls are here. Love these wreaths, obsessed. How cute. Love these. Loads and loads. Great place to go for Christmas presents. Brilliant place. Love these signs as well. Love it. So busy. Nice little Christmas cards there too. Gorgeous. Love the designs. Very Manchester inspired with the bee. Buzz buzz. Nice pieces of jewellery. Gorgeous. Some more cards, very good vibes inspired. Yes, yes, yes. Things for your dogs there, look. Love. Dog paraphernalia. Stunning, stunning, stunning. We picked a few bits up for my husband's parents' mum and dad's dog. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous bath products. Oh, love that jacket. Very on trend. Perfect stall for anybody who likes a tipple at Christmas. Brilliant for presents as well. Oh God, stunning. Stunning. The waistline is expanding. These are amazing. Look at this. Look at all these. Perfect for presents and just to have around the house. That is amazing. Stunning. I can't believe how cute are these. Look at that. Stunning. Okay, we're back home. I've got my wreath. Now I did go to Soster & Gras again. Little piece of wood there. Thought that might come in handy. Yes, I am eating as I'm going through these. Little acorns. I thought they'd be cute. Gorgeous, gorgeous acorns there. I think these are some sort of berry. I think these are supposed to be cranberries. Cute, cute. I'm not too sure what these berries are, but they are fake and each of the branches is bendy. Acorns. Are these acorns? Yes, they're acorns. Stunning. Gorgeous. So I'm going to start with the wreath. Just really wanted to stick to the bottom of this wreath this time because normally when I make a wreath I just cover the whole thing. But I thought let's just try the bottom, try and make it a bit classier. So I just want to try and figure out the spacings at the minute. And that is fully bendable. Gorgeous. Let's put that out. Pop that there. Is this looking good? Yep, pop that there too. Okay. A few berries. Yeah, but we're liking this. Are we liking this arrangement? Oh, girl. Stunning. Yeah, I'm loving this. I thought that might be cute to put someone's name on or something if it was a present, or just saying like Happy Christmas or something. That was a cute idea. Bending that fake foliage. There we go. I have got a glue gun somewhere. It's coming. That glue gun is coming. Yeah. Just having a little bit of a tinker with the space in there. Yeah. Yeah, looking stunning already. Feeling the vibes, feeling the vibes. There comes that glue gun. Oh, no, yeah. Oh, do I want that there? Do I want it? I want it there. Get that glue gun out. Go on. Squirt that glue, girl. There you go. Stunning. You don't want too much of this. Just a little bit goes a long way. Stick that acorn on there. Brilliant. Just takes a couple of seconds to dry. We're not faffing. We're not faffing here. Come on. There you go. Get that glue gun out again. I got that glue gun from Hobbycraft about 2 years ago. It's done me very well. There we go. I'm spacing the acorn. Sometimes it's a little bit of trial and error, but that's what life's all about. I'm going again with that glue gun. Come on, love. There we go. Squirt, squirt, squirt of that glue gun. There we go. Come on. I'm going to pop another little berry in there, look. Hold it for a couple of seconds. No time at all, and it's stuck. The wreath is taking shape. It is looking stunning. Look at this. Look, and it's all made by my own hands. Stunning. Oh, I can't get enough of this. I can't get enough of this. Look at it. Are we sure about that? We're sure. Get it on. Stick it on. Go on. Get it on. As I said earlier, you could put your name on that, or you can just put Merry Christmas or whatever you want. And that's it, done and dusted. I'm very happy with that. I look very happy. Yeah, you're happy? He's happy. Stunning. Absolutely, yeah, you can't tell me this isn't stunning. Look at it. Brilliant. Fabulous. Well done.